Usually kasi sa mga food logging apps, number one talagang tinatrack yung calories, right? But hindi masyadong tinatrack yung macros. Ngayon, very important yung macros because this will dictate how your body will look like on a specific calorie range that you're consuming. As I mentioned, yung calories, it is a unit of measurement for energy. Yung energy na kinokonsume natin through food, meron silang macronutrient. Yung macronutrients, macros for short, apat. But yung tinatrack natin is only 3. Protein, fat, carb. The fourth macro is alcohol. So, macronutrients provide calories and are essential for the body. Ito yung calculations niya. Yung protein, it has 4 calories per 1 gram of protein. Then for carbohydrates, it has 4 calories. Fat has 9 calories per gram. So kahit napagsamahin mo pa 1 gram of both carbs and protein, 8 lang yun. Mas mataas pa rin yung 1 gram ng fat. Kaya very common na fitness advice, avoid fatty foods kasi konting-konting fat lang ang taas na ng calories. Ito yung computation niyan. Kung nagtataka kayo, paano nako-compute yung kunyari 2,000 calories tapos 200 grams of protein, this is the way to compute it.